So let's talk a little bit more about the strings, or else called sequences. You can do a lot of operation with strings, and they're really important to understand. First of all, you can concatenate the input. You can multiply it, you can index specific parts of a string, or let's say a text or a sequence. You can use slicing, so you can select a specific part of the string, and you can also iterate using a for loop inside a string. However, I have not taught you for loops and in general loops till now, but it's also one of the next stuffs that we're gonna be learning. So let's go and check it out a little bit. Let's see that, for example, we've got b equals hello, and we also got c equals world. Okay, let's say that we've got these two strings. What can we do with those two strings? As you've seen, we can do a concatenation. We can add these two strings. But wait a minute, this is text messages, it's not numeric values. How you can add them? Just run this code and see the example. Hello world. Okay, let's put a space here to make it more beautiful. Hello world, this is the result of the concatenation. You can also multiply something. You can do b multiplied by 4, so we get the value of hello 4 times. Nice. You can also get a specific part of the string by using these brackets and the positioning. So the positioning inside Python starts from the number 0. So if you put b0, then you will get the value age, because the first position which you index with 0 is age inside of b. b1 will be e, for example. And if you want to get the first two positions, you can do b brackets 1, boom. You can do this, 0 to 2. What I need you to understand here is that we want to index from the 0 position the two next positions. So this is equal to b0 plus b1. Okay, it's a little bit strange because what you see here is 2, so you expect also L to be in here, but this is not the case. What you say is that you start from the first position, you add this and the next one. You go till 2, but you do not include 2. If you wanted to include 2, you do b3. So this is how it works. Everything here is just one step minus what you use in reality. The first position is the 0 position. The second position is the first position in the coding perspective. Okay, so the next step is to do b minus c. Can you do that? Of course not. How are you going to remove one string from another? You can just you cannot do that in a logical way. However, you can do b.remove the value of L. Okay, you cannot do that. Okay, so we've seen also how we can index inside the string, how we can multiply, concatenate, and slice. I will keep this for loop for later on when we, start with the for loops.